Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ikhlas, and today I will present to you my presentation that discussing about the integration of renewable energy into mechanical systems. This presentation is based on the article The Integration of Renewable Energy Sources into Mechanical System focusing on efficiency and reliability, a case study by Saidul Islam Khan and others. This article is talking about how renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydro can be used in mechanical systems. The goal is to make machines and industry more efficient, reliable, and environmentally friendly. By using renewable energy, we can reduce pollution, save fossil fuels, and create a cleaner and greener future. Before we go deeper, let's first understand what mechanical systems are. Mechanical systems are machines or structures that use mechanical principles to perform work. They play a very important role in modern life because almost every industry depends on them. For example, in power generation, we have turbines and generators that produce electricity. In HVAC systems, mechanical systems help by heating, ventilation, and air conditioning buildings and vehicles. Transport systems such as cars, trains, and ships all rely on mechanical parts to move people and goods. And water and wastewater systems help manage clean water and treat waste for cities. These systems are everywhere, from homes to factories, and renewable energy can make them work in a cleaner and smarter way. The article explains that renewable energy comes from natural sources that never run out. There are six main types of renewable energy discussed in the study. First, solar power, which converts sunlight into electricity using solar panel. It's often used to power pumps, HVAC systems, and factories. The second, wind energy, which uses turbines to generate power from the movement of air. It's useful in both city and the remote areas. The third, hydroelectric power, which turns flowing water into electricity through turbines. It's one of the oldest and the most reliable renewable sources. The fourth, biomass energy, which converts organic materials like crops and waste into biofuel or biogas to run engines and heating systems. The fifth, geothermal energy, which uses the Earth's internal heat for electricity and temperature control. It can work all year round. And lastly, ocean energy, which uses tides and waves to produce mechanical movement and electricity. All these renewable sources can support mechanical systems and reduce the use of fuels. All these renewable sources can support mechanical system and reduce the use of fossil fuels at the same time. Integrating renewable energy into mechanical systems brings many benefits. First, it reduces pollution. Renewable energy produces little or no greenhouse gases, helping slow down global warming. Second, it gives economic benefits. Even though renewable systems can be expensive to install, they are cheaper to maintain in the long term. Third, support sustainability. Renewable system makes sure we have enough clean energy for the next generation. And finally, it helps improves energy efficiency, meaning we can use less energy while getting better performance. In short, renewable energy makes mechanical systems cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable. However, even with all these benefits, the article also mentions several challenges. The first challenge is intermittency. Renewable energy like solar and wind depends on weather and times. It means it doesn't always produce energy consistently. The second challenge is energy storage. We still need better and cheaper ways to store energy for times when production is low. The next is compatibility. Older mechanical systems or power grids often need upgrade to work with renewable energy. Another big issue is the high installation costs. Building solar panels or wind turbines requires a lot of investment at first. Then there are policy and regulation problems. Some countries don't yet have strong laws to support renewable projects. Lastly, location factor matter. Some areas have less sunlight, weaker wind, or limited water flow, making renewable energy harder to apply. These challenges show that while renewable energy has big potential, it still needs more innovation and support to work perfectly. The article highlights that combining renewable energy with mechanical systems can make them more efficient, reliable, and eco-friendly. However, it also brings new challenges like high costs, storage issues, and technology limits. To achieve the best result, we must balance cost, design, and innovation. This requires strong cooperation between engineers, industries, and governments. Even though the integration process isn't easy, it's an important step toward a cleaner and more sustainable future. With better design and stronger government support, renewable energy can help build a greener world for everyone. From this article, I learned that efficiency means using less energy to get better results, and that energy storage is one of the biggest challenges for renewable systems. I also learned that geothermal systems are very stable and can be used throughout the year. One interesting fact that is that hydroelectric systems can last 50 to 100 years, which makes them very reliable. Another interesting point is that geothermal systems can reach up to 600% efficiency, which is incredible. And one question I still have is, are there any limits to how much renewable energy a country can produce? The question made me realize that innovation must continue if we want renewable energy to grow and support our world's energy needs.